What up, YouTube family? This Jay here. Hey, look, this is just a little quick video of the holiday festivities we experienced downtown San Antonio, Texas. So look, just kick back. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video. And towards the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 easy holiday beverages. Oh yeah. So like I was saying, right, I got these 3 easy drinks, holiday beverages that's made real simple and easy. So on the first one, I'm gonna make up an eggnog. Using the eggnog mix that come in the store, we just gonna add a little rum to it and then shake it up, pour it in a glass of ice, and then we gonna top it off with some Cool Whip, add a little nutmeg and a cinnamon stick. That's one drink, right? Then the next drink we got here, you know how Starbucks have that, what they call that iced caramel macchiato? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna do a macchiato. We gonna use a Starbucks drink, coffee. We gonna pour it in some ice, and then we gonna add in some Cool Whip, some caramel, and a cinnamon stick. Yeah, a little cinnamon stick, just something I add to it. And then third, last but not least, one of my favorite ones, I made up a peppermint mint macchiato, iced coffee, however you want to say it. So it's the same thing, right? We're gonna pour in a little iced coffee and a cup of ice, top it out with some Cool Whip, and then with this one, we're gonna pour on some chocolate. And man, watch when y'all see the results, man. It's just like coming out of a store. Simple, easy stuff you can do right at home, enjoying with your family. Oh yeah, check it out. And there we have it, y'all. The 3 easy drinks: the caramel macchiato, the eggnog, and the chocolate peppermint. Hey, thank y'all for watching. Try them out. You'll enjoy. Peace.